Have you ever wondered what could be the most organized and sophisticated creatures on Earth that aren't humans? Well, it's time to shift your gaze from the skies to the ground below, where an incredible world of ants thrives. These tiny wonders exhibit a level of social structure and complex behavior that often rivals our own. Ant colonies operate as a single entity, each ant playing its part in the grand scheme of things. From the diligent workers to the protective soldiers, every ant has a role to play. Did you know there are over 12,000 known species of ants? They are found across the globe, from the scorching Sahara Desert to the freezing Antarctic plains. Each species is uniquely adapted to its environment, surviving and thriving in ways that continue to fascinate scientists. So let's delve into the fascinating world of ants, the tiny creatures with big facts. Ants live in colonies, but did you know that these colonies function as a single entity, often called a superorganism? Yes, you heard that right, a superorganism. This term might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's a reality in the world of ants. A superorganism is an organized society where each member plays a specific role, contributing to the survival and success of the whole. Much like the cells in our body, each ant in a colony contributes to the life and functionality of the colony as a whole. Within this superorganism, there are various roles. The queen, for example, is the heart of the colony. Her primary role is reproduction. She's the mother to every other ant in the colony. Quite a job, isn't it? Then we have the soldiers. As the name suggests, they protect the colony. Equipped with large mandibles, they're the colony's first line of defense against predators. They're the brave warriors, always ready for a fight. And let's not forget the workers, the backbone of the ant superorganism. They do everything from foraging for food, caring for the queen's eggs, maintaining the nest, to even taking out the trash. These small but mighty creatures keep the colony running smoothly. But how do these ants coordinate their activities to keep the superorganism functioning? The answer lies in their communication. Ants use a complex system of chemical signals or pheromones to communicate. From finding food to warning others of danger, these chemical messages help maintain order and harmony within the bustling ant city. It's truly fascinating how these tiny creatures, each with their specific roles, work together in unison to create a thriving society. They prove that there's strength in numbers, and that even the smallest among us can contribute to something much larger than ourselves. As we can see, each ant plays a vital role in the survival and success of the colony. Now, let's talk about their engineering skills. Yes, you heard it right. Ants are architects. In the insect world, ants are revered for their incredible architectural prowess. They construct complex nests and tunnel systems that are nothing short of engineering marvels. The nests they build aren't just homes, but sophisticated fortresses that provide protection from predators, a safe haven for their young, and a food storage system that would make any prepper jealous. There are several types of nests that ants construct. Mound nests, for instance, are built above ground and can rise up to several feet in height. These mounds often have a complex network of tunnels and chambers inside, providing the colony with ample living space. Then we have the underground nests, which can extend several meters below the surface. These nests are remarkable feats of engineering, with tunnels connecting various chambers for different purposes, including nurseries for larvae, food storage, and even refuse dumps. Nests in trees are another marvel of ant architecture. These arboreal nests are built by certain species of ants that have learned to exploit the natural cavities in trees. They can even chew through the wood to expand their living spaces or create new ones. But the architectural prowess of ants isn't limited to their nests. They also use their bodies to build bridges and rafts. When faced with a water body, ants can lock their bodies together to create a raft, allowing the rest of the colony to cross over safely. Similarly, when they encounter a gap in their path, they can form a bridge using their bodies to allow the rest of the colony to cross. These feats of engineering are not just impressive, they're also a testament to the ants' incredible teamwork and communication skills. Each ant plays a vital role in the construction process, and they all work together to ensure the success of their colony. It's interesting, isn't it? These tiny creatures are capable of such incredible feats of engineering. Let's shift our focus to what ants eat. It's not just your picnic food. Ants are opportunistic feeders, and their diet varies widely by species. Some ants, like the black garden ants, are omnivores, feeding on a wide range of foods from sweet substances to smaller insects. On the other hand, leafcutter ants are vegetarians. They cut leaves and carry them back to their colony, but not to eat them directly. Instead, they use these leaves to cultivate a fungus, their actual source of nourishment. A fascinating world exists in the realm of ants and their food. There are ants that are predators, hunting down other insects and small animals for food. Army ants, for example, are known for their highly organized and aggressive hunting parties. They can consume up to 500,000 prey insects in a single day. On the other spectrum are scavenger ants, like the red fire ants, who are not choosy about their food at all. They will eat almost anything from seeds, fruits and honeydew to small animals and even carrion. But the food habits of ants don't just stop at consumption. Some ants, such as the honeypot ants, have specialized workers that store food in their own bodies, acting as living larders for the colony. When food is scarce, these worker ants regurgitate the stored food to feed their fellow ants. Not only do ants have diverse and fascinating dietary habits, but they also play a crucial role in our environment. They keep the ecosystem balanced by controlling pests. Predatory ants hunt insects that can cause damage to our crops and gardens. Ants also contribute to soil turnover, which is essential for nutrient cycling by their incessant digging and tunneling activities. In the world of ants, the food chain is a complex and intricate web, with each species playing its own unique role. They are not just tiny creatures, they are a vital part of our ecosystem, controlling pests and helping turn the soil. So, ants are not just food thieves, they are also environmental helpers. Now, let's talk about some impressive ant facts. Did you know that an ant can carry up to 50 times its own body weight? This feat of strength is truly awe-inspiring when you consider the size of these tiny creatures. To put it into perspective, if a human had the same strength-to-weight ratio as an ant, they could lift a car with ease. Imagine going to the gym and lifting 50 times your body weight. Quite a workout, wouldn't you say? Ants use this super strength to help build their colonies, carry food, and protect their homes. They're like the bodybuilders of the insect world, always working, always lifting. The secret behind their Herculean strength lies in their tiny, yet powerful muscles, which make up a large portion of their body mass. But it's not just their strength that's impressive. Their lifespan is also something to marvel at. While most insects live for a few weeks to a few months, ants are the Methuselahs of the insect world. Worker ants can live for a few years, which is impressive in itself. But the real champions of longevity are the ant queens. Ant queens are like the supercentenarians among ants. Some species of ant queens can live for up to several decades. That's right, decades. They're not just surviving, they're thriving, laying thousands of eggs each day to ensure the continuation of their colonies. The secret to their long lives? It's a combination of their protected lifestyle, tucked away deep in the nest, and their unique biology. Ant queens have slow metabolisms and robust immune systems which help them resist diseases and aging. So, from lifting many times their body weight to living longer than any other insect, ants certainly pack a punch in a small package. They show us that strength and longevity can come in the tiniest of forms, and that size truly doesn't matter when it comes to survival in the wild. So, strength and longevity, ants truly are amazing creatures. So, what have we learned about ants today? We've delved into the intricate social structure of these tiny creatures, understanding how they live as a superorganism, with each ant playing a crucial role. We've marveled at their architectural prowess, as they construct intricate anthills and underground cities far beyond their size. We've taken a peek into their diverse diet, from leaves to other insects and even substances produced by themselves. We've admired their incredible strength, able to carry items up to 50 times their body weight, and their astounding lifespan, with some queens living for as long as 30 years. We've also reflected on the vital role ants play in our ecosystem, from turning soil to controlling pests. These tiny creatures are not just fascinating, they're essential. Next time you see an ant, remember it's not just a tiny creature, it's a part of a complex and fascinating world. Thanks for watching.